Go ahead.
To initiate a park regeneration, the vehicle first must be brought up to operating temperature. The transmission must be shifted and in neutral. The vehicle is started and then the parking brake is cycled, and then it must be left applied. You then activate the regeneration switch, which is on the driver's dash just right of the park brake, and you hold the switch until the engine idle increases on its own. The regeneration is in process and it will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes to complete.